Let's do another example. This time the x's are in the first row and the y's are in the second row. So I'm going to bring up my calculator. I'm going to clear my equation from the last time I was working. Recall that everything begins with the stat key. And I'm going to edit. That is, I'm going to put in my new x's and my new y's. So I'm going to press enter, and I see there's some data there. And what I want to do is go to the top of the list and press clear. Do not press delete. Press clear. Go to the top of the list, press clear. Never press delete. Press clear. Now I'm going to enter my x's carefully. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I'm going to go over to my second column here and enter my y's. 9, 8, 6, 3, and 2. I'm going to inspect my data. I'm going to make sure that my lists are of equal length. I'm going to make sure that I pressed an enter after I put in the last 2. Your calculator should look exactly like this. So I'm going to go to second quit now. I'm going to make sure that my stat plot is turned on, and in order to do that I'm going to go to second stat plot, and without entering number 1 you can see that it's turned on. The little picture here indicates that it's going to do what we call a scatter plot. It's going to plot all the points. Our x's are in list 1, our y's are in list 2, and the little tick mark that it's going to make is the little box. And all that seems good to me, so we don't even need to enter it. So now I'm going to go to second quit, and I'm going to press zoom in order to plot it. And it's going to be zoom 9 or zoom stat. And here are the 5 points plotted in the XY plane. If you'd like, you can visit them by pressing the arrow keys, and at the bottom you see the points. Excuse me. Let's press the trace key. That's what we want to do. The trace key, and you see a point at 1, 9, see a point at 3, 8, 5, 6, 7, 3, 9, 2. They're all there. They're exactly as we want. Now we can see that they seem to fall in a linear pattern, and we want to find the line that goes through them. To find that line, we're going to press the stat key again. We're going to go over to the calculation menu this time. We're doing a linear regression. We're going to press enter. Recall that there are some arguments here, and the arguments are these. Second, the list where your x's are, comma. Second, the list where the y's are, comma. And finally, we're going to store our equation by pushing the vars key, yvars, function, y sub 1, enter. Our equation is y equals negative 0.95x plus 10.35. If you hit the graph button, you can see what it looks like. if you hit the y equals button, you can see the equation of the line, that best fit line, y equals negative 0.95x plus 10.35.